what's up everyone? Game Dad here, coming at you guys with a brand new unboxing video. Now, most people don't know that I actually do IT for a living as my day job. And one thing that I have not gotten for a long time at work is a new laptop. And we were finally able to convince them in the department to get us all new laptops. So today we are going to be unboxing the newest Dell XPS laptop. This thing is a workhorse, total beast, and I can't wait to unbox it and show you guys what's inside. Now, if you are new to the channel, please be sure to hit those like and subscribe buttons, as well as that little notification bell so you can alert every time I got a new video coming out. Now, with that out of the way, let's go ahead and get this thing unboxed. Alright, so first off, I just gotta say, this packaging is super nice. Magnetic clasp in the front. Let's see, let's go ahead and open that up. And there we start off right with that XPS. Let's go ahead and lift that guy out of there. Set that aside for now. Let's see what else comes in here. All right, we got our nice standard power cord. And then what do we got here? Oh, the other piece of the power cord. Type-C, of course. Gotta love that Type-C. And what's this little guy? Oh, okay, it comes with a little Type-C dongle to give full-size HDMI, and I'm assuming just regular 2.0 USB, so that's kind of nice. And then here I'm assuming just some, documentation. So this is not the 17-inch version, this is the 15-inch version. But that is all right because I don't need a 17-inch laptop. Let's go ahead and get this out of the way. Man, this thing, it's got some heft to it. This definitely has a little bit of weight. I would say this is probably about a 6-pound laptop. I haven't looked at the spec to see for sure. But very nice metal body on it. I'm assuming aluminum. Let's go ahead and peel this all off. And I don't know why they always add them because it says that you can just take it off, but we'll get rid of that little sticker as well. And on the side here, we have two Type-C ports right there. I don't believe that they're Thunderbolt. I'm not sure though. And then we have another Type-C and an SD card reader right here, as well as, it looks like a headphone jack. Nice. Then we got our Kensington lock on this side as well. Nice big grill on it. Very nice. Let's go ahead and open it up, shall we? Let's see, does it have a one-finger lift? It does. I love having a one-finger lift. That makes it so nice. Now, one thing this does also have is this massive trackpad. That is so nice for productivity. It means you don't have to carry another mouse around, anything like that. It's just got excellent feedback, Windows Precision drivers. And then right here, got some pretty good travel on the keys. It doesn't feel mushy when it hits. I prefer a mechanical keyboard. I like that click. It doesn't have that, but it is still nice. The power button is also a fingerprint reader, so that's cool. And then up here in the top bezel, and it is a tiny bezel. This little bezel right here. Here we have our integrated webcam with Windows Hello, so that's excellent. Let's go ahead and turn it on, shall we? Nice backlit keyboard. It looks like each key is individually lit. Very nice. Core i7 10th gen, and this particular model, we got them with 32 gigs of RAM. So pretty excited to definitely be able to have some raw power backing everything in it. And I believe, I'll put it on the screen if it's incorrect, but I believe this comes with a 2060 Max-Q. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and get this guy set up, and then I will put Cinebench on it, and we will run a score and see what we get. Alright, so I got Cinebench all set up and ran it, and it only took about 3 minutes for it to run through a single render pass, And although it does have a 1650 Ti in it, it actually ran off of the integrated UHD graphics in order to run the benchmark. So I don't think the score is actually representative of what this machine could actually do. However, I will list the specs on the screen for you, but it does come with AX1650 Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5, a GTX 1650 Ti, an 86 watt hour battery. It's a 6-cell. It also comes with a 130 watt charger, which is awesome. This particular model is with the 512 gigabyte NVMe drive and 32 gigs of RAM, and it is running the 6-core 12-thread i7 1070H CPU. So, like I said, this isn't a gaming beast, but this thing is a productivity beast, and that's what I need it for. This is my daily driver for work, and then I have my Asus G14 anytime I want to rock gaming on the go. I am very pleased with the aesthetic of this. It's got that carbon fiber look and feel. It's got excellent sound quality coming through this thing. It's got an amazingly large trackpad, especially for a PC. And the backlit keyboard looks great. It's not overbearing, and you can see it just fine in daytime. And the screen is phenomenal. It is a full HD screen. It's not 4K or anything like that, but it does have that Infinity Edge, and like I said before, it has Windows Hello, so that is an excellent feature. And overall, I'm just looking forward to using this as my daily driver. And plus, I mean, the thing is just sleek. Very nice. And there you have it, everyone. That is everything that comes inside of the box for the new Dell XPS. This laptop is crazy. It is so powerful. Is it the best gaming machine? No, it's definitely not. It doesn't have that kind of power to it, but for productivity and like with my day job working in IT, stuff like that, this is a phenomenal device. It has such a large trackpad, it's got such a crystal clear screen, and it's got massive specs to back it up. Now, if you have one of the new XPSs, I'd love to hear about it down in the comments below. Now, if you have one of the new XPSs or you're planning on getting one, I would love to hear about it down in the comments below. And while you're down there, please be sure to also hit those like and subscribe buttons, as well as that little notification bell so you get an alert every time I get a new video coming out. Now, as always, I'm Game Dad. I thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you later.